In the inventory, you can keep track of all your spare parts. You can add, edit, and delete items. You can list all locations of the items, link the items to jobs for easier access, and print the spare parts list. Lastly, for the equipment, you can see exactly which spare parts you have and submit your orders for spare parts directly in the program. To add or remove an info column from the table, click the Settings button. Click the slider to make a column visible or invisible in the table. Blue means it's visible, and grey means it's not. The changes will be reflected right away. To add new inventory, check first if the location name is already in the drop-down list. To do that, click the Location Data button. To add a location name, fill out the name field and click the Add button. To delete a location name, click the Delete text next to the name. Click Yes to complete. Go back to the inventory page and click the Add New Item button and fill out the information boxes. Click the Add button to save the entry. To edit an inventory entry, just click the designated row item and put in the info you want to add or change. You can use the search field to find the inventory item if it's not visible on the table. The changes made will be reflected right away. If you click the right arrow on the far end of the row, you can edit the description, add images, or link the inventory item to jobs. To upload an image, click the Upload button. Choose the image you want to upload and click the Submit button. To zoom in on the image, hover over the image and click the eye icon. To delete the image, hover over the image and click the Trash icon. Click Yes to complete. To link the inventory to a certain job, click the Link to Jobs button. Choose from the drop-down list and click Add. To unlink the inventory to a job, click the Delete text next to the job name. Click Yes to complete. To delete an item, click the Delete button. Click Yes to complete. To print the inventory list, click the Print button and adjust the table size and table margin so all the columns are visible. Click Print and save it as you would normally do on the browser you're using. For easier tracking of spare parts related to equipment, we have made the new section, which can be seen by clicking the Boat Spare Parts button. In the default page, you can see all the spare parts for all the equipment in the boat. To see the equipment list in the boat spare parts, click the View Equipment button. To see all the available sections of an equipment, click the View Section button, choose the department and equipment, and click Search. To search for a particular spare part in an equipment, choose the department, equipment, and section. Click Search. You can see the diagram of the part and the labels of the spare parts on the right side of the diagram. You can see the available quantities of each spare part. If you need to order a spare part, just click the Add button next to it. Choose the quantity, and it will be added to the basket. Click the View Basket button to see all the items you want to purchase. You can delete an item or edit the quantity. Once you're sure of the items, click the Checkout button. You can also do this by clicking the View Order List button. Put in the email address you'd like to CC your message, and choose which supplier you'll be sending this order to. Click the Submit Order button to complete.